Hello everyone, today I will share most common idioms which come in the exams. First one is a stone's throw away, means a short distance. Next one is blow one's own trumpet, means to praise oneself. Or we can say that to boast about their achievements. We can say in Hindi also कि खुद की तारीफ खुद करना, blow one's own trumpet, to praise oneself or to boast about their achievements. Next one is cost an arm and a leg. Cost means price, so cost an arm and a leg means very high price or expensive. Next one, leave no stone unturned, means to try all possible action to do the task. Next one, get out of hands, means to get out of control. Next one, fair weather friends, means friends who support only in good times, not in bad times. Means the friend who are unreliable. Selfish friend, we can also say that. Next one is in the same boat, means in the same situation. To miss the bus or boat, means to miss the opportunity. To turn a deaf ears, means to ignore or to neglect. Next one is pull someone's leg, means to tease someone or to do joke of someone, or we can say that to fool someone. Thank you.